Hey everybody, this is Chris Bystead here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Got an awesome trailer to show you. A lot of people are looking for trailers that are rear living, that have a private bedroom and plenty of space and windows in the back where they've got great visibility. And under 30 feet, this is it, the 279 RLSS. You're gonna notice it's got a nice pass-through solar on the side. You get two doors, so there's a door that goes up into your bedroom. Out here in the camping experience, you're going to be underneath a big awning with outdoor speakers. You've got double axles. And check out the inside of this thing. Right back here is what I'm talking about, rear living. You got picture windows on the outside, the great view, wonderful reclining seats. Marine grade fabric, you can spill things on them, pets and kid friendly. You've got a really nice sofa here as well. This all reclines, guys, so it's 4 really comfortable seats and seating for you. You've got a nice big dinette, and this is set up to where it'll seat the whole family, so it's not just 4 people. A really fantastic workspace here. You know, with these being flush, you have a nice counter space here, and you still have a nice double sink right here with the sprayer. 3-burner cook stove with oven, microwave, hood and light. Nice size fridge and freezer. And you've got your TV here. This is on a swing arm, so it'll move around. It'll even fit inside and tuck inside there for travel. Extra storage all over the place, little extra storage compartments. And check this out, here's your bathroom. And you can see that there's a private entrance right into the bedroom as well. So you've got a nice glass surround shower, medicine cabinet, sink, and on into your bedroom. Got storage underneath, shirt closets on the side, overhead storage, a place for CPAPs and chargers, everything that you would really want in your own private door that goes right out the bedroom. It's very private, a really nice trailer, under 30 feet. Quality is fantastic. We've got lots of these in different floor plans too. I'd love to show you this one or any of the ones that we carry. My name is Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878.